Hey family, I thought I would come out and do a video because we have a break in the weather and you can see the weeds popping up through the rocks over here. I'm gonna have to have my gardener come out and spray. But today I wanted to get out here to amend the soil over in this bed over here. So I went over to Lowe's and I got me another garden cart. I already have a different gorilla cart, but I needed a second one. So I went and got this one so that I can move some dirt. It's not bad. I like this. It's about 5 cubic feet. Oh, look. I got plenty of lemons coming in. How cool. All right. Okay, over here in this first bed, I planted out some kale and bell peppers over here. I'm going to put some lettuce and things in this bed. That's what I will have in this bed. Over here, I went and also picked up some ladybugs and put them out. Freed them from the container they were in at the store. But we have, over here we have broccoli, and over here is cabbage. Okay, so what I'm going to do, this is soil that I have been amending over quite some time and putting compost in. And I'm going to move this dirt from here to over here. I'm putting the dirt over on this side so I can amend it and get some things planted out. Well, look at there, I have an apple coming in. Ooh, I have a grapefruit, guys. Look at that grapefruit right there. I have 2 more coming in over here, 2 more grapefruits. This right here is supposed to be a pink lemonade blueberry bush, and it was doing very well, and then it started dying back. What I found out, guys, the grubs that were in my flower bed or in my vegetable bed are also in my containers. So now I know what was killing them, because I couldn't figure out what was killing them. It's like this one, it died. And I found that out because I was digging through this container here. I was digging through this container and I found grubs. And I said, wow. And I found them in another container. That's what led me to think that the grubs were attacking the roots of my plants. This one here, this was a moringa tree. It died, and it was doing very well. And I bet you anything, if I was to dig through there, I would find grubs. These are peas. This is peas, and I'm getting ready to put those out in the amended soil. First, I'm going to add in some perlite over to this soil. So there you have it. I have my peas planted in. This here is native soil that I've been composting for about 1.5 years. And I have like clay-like dirt. And look, this is so nice and rich. It's just, you can see there's still tags from produce, but yeah, I've been throwing my compost in here, everyone. And this was all clay dirt. It was very thick and now it's just crumbly. So I threw everything in here. And I ended up with grub worms, but I also ended up with earthworms in here as well. All right, family. That's it for this video. I'll see you on the next one.